Is your voice chat not working on Apex Legends mobile apps and your friends cannot hear your voice while playing the game? Many Apex Legends players have recently reported that the voice chat feature is not working on Apex Legends mobile apps. And because of that, Apex Legends users can't talk or chat with friends while playing games. Mostly your voice chat feature won't work on Android when you have issues with the microphone. So after analyzing the whole matter, I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix microphone not working or voice chat not working issues for Apex Legends user. So let's get started. First 2, open up the Apex Legends. Now tap Setting, tap Graphic and Audio, tap Audio. Now check the microphone sounds and the speaker sounds. Make sure to turn up the sounds volume high. Also enable VoiceOver from here. Now you need to enable access to your microphone on your Android device. So you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Privacy Protection, tap Microphone. Now find your Apex Legends apps. Now tap Allow Only while using the apps. Now restart your phone and check your problem. Now if you still have issues with your mobile device, now you need to follow some things to solve your mic glitches. First, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, find out the Apex Legends apps. Tap on it. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction. Now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. After that, before you check your problem, lastly, swipe down from the top to make sure that your device is not connected with any other device through Bluetooth. After that, open up your voice recorder apps. Now try to record something on your device and check either if it takes sounds or not. If you see no sound means you have a hardware issue. In that case, you need to go to the service center to fix your microphone issues. But temporarily, you can choose any wireless device to talk to your phone while you're playing the Apex Legends game. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with your microphone on the Apex Legends apps or not. Thanks for watching.